For all your camping needs and a whole lot more, the place to visit is Marcus Stores. Our family-run business in Bitton has been supplying the most comprehensive range of tents and camping equipment to customers around Bristol for over 45 years. We just have so much to offer. We have a vast range of products on display, including dome, backpacker and pop-up tents, as well as family, festival and tunnel tents. And that's just for starters. We stock probably the largest range of camping accessories in the region, from stoves, gas and clothing, to rucksacks, sleeping bags and waterproofing. If you have a passion for outdoor living, we have the equipment to support you every step of the way. All our staff have excellent product knowledge, and they're here to help you choose the right equipment for your needs. So if you want expert advice, great products and a friendly service, we're the camping shop for you. So pop in and see us soon at Marcus Stores.